Hi guys. Today we are at local treat homestay in Kasyang. It's not Kasyang. Don't have a mistake. It's Kasyang in Khasmahal in Kalimpong. So this is very beautiful place and near like it's very new. I think 2025 they have started. They have 5 nice cottage kind of premium facility they have, and so I just come to know about from Ranaji. I will talk everything about Raniji later. So this is the Bolero, like we will go with this tomorrow, uh, and see the nice rooms. The rooms are really beautiful, and everything facilities are there. And the east side you can see the beautiful views, the mountain. I think the other side is Gangtok is there, right?
Right, sir.
Yeah, and I think he can tell you better. He is the caretaker, everything about this premium facility. Sir, please.
First of all,
Yeah.
very good evening, everyone. Those who are watching these videos and all. So this is my, homestay. The name is the Local Treat Homestay. So we have two categories of room. One is 2-in-1 bed with the, these two cottages, and the rest of the cottages they have a single bed, queen size bed. So let me show you some of
Yeah,
the,
sure.
rooms. So
Okay,
we
I
do.
should also.
That's fine.
Oh, that's fine.
Yes. So this is the twin 1 bed category. So we have a washroom right over here.
So nice washroom. It's really good. So geyser is also there. So we'll get hot water in the morning. Nice. Rooms are very neat and clean. Blanket, pillow, everything is there. And there is a table fan also. I think pedestal. Yeah.
So I will be showing, the other.
The other one.
So yes, I will
There is a swing also. Nice.
So, just for, small information, we do have a bonfire area right over there.
Oh yeah.
So, evening we used to light it up, some bonfire along with some drinks and even with, snacks and all. So, definitely this evening we are going to have a, some small bonfire
Oh great.
so that you can enjoy the, rest
Yeah.
of the evening.
Sure.
So, especially in the evening time, the view of this park will be totally, kind of very much magical view, because the, this all belongs in East Sikkim. जब भी लाइट ऑन होता है इवनिंग में नज़ारा है ये कुछ अलग जी
Mesmerizing.
जी mesmerizing वाला व्यू बन के जाता है
Yeah.
so I will just show you about the room.
Yeah. Sure. So this is the same category.
This is the queen size bed.
Oh, this is the other category.
Right, single bed.
So he is allowing me with shoes. Otherwise, I should take off the shoes. Sorry for that.
It has the same thing like
Yeah, everything is
with
same.
the same amenities and
Yeah.
so like those guests who wants to visit right over here. So before that, regarding the local treat, actually is a dream of my mother.
Oh,
So she has passed away in 2023. So I quit my jobs and all. So मैंने focus किया मम्मी का dream जो था.
nice.
So within a year only I had completed all these things. 2024 में पूरा complete हो गया था. So 25 से functional way.
That's amazing.
So it's very much this
New,
thing.
very brand.
मेरा मतलब heart से एकदम connected.
Connected.
है ये local treat.
Yeah, we can see it. So nicely decorated. And I forgot to tell, you have also hotel management degree, right?
Right,
I
right.
think you can tell about little bit about that.
Actually, regarding that thing, I have done my hotel management from IESP. So after that, OCLD, Oberoi Center of Training and Learning Department, I have done from there also. So I have worked with the Oberoi Mumbai Nariman Point only.
Wow.
Later on, I thought if I am doing that much on the other place, I can do more than this thing in my own place only. So वहाँ पे छोड़ के मुझे लगा यहाँ पे कुछ करके दिखाते हैं.
अपने जगह पे आ जा.
अपने जगह पे कुछ और. So I've been to
Serve
working
people's
with the,
local
working with the Sikkim tourism also. Past 12 years उन लोग के साथ था. तो वो बाद में आके यहाँ पे settle down सारा कुछ अपनी जगह पे हुआ. So those who want to visit the local treat, just for your small information, यहाँ से हम लोग का जो नज़दीक NH10 जो नेशनल हाईवे है, it's just a 45 minutes away from me.
Right.
तो यहाँ से हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे नीचे एक रानी बॉन करके एक जंगल से नियर बाय रंफू रिवर तो वहाँ से नीचे जाएंगे तो NH10 एंड कनेक्टिविटी ऑफ सिक्किम आल्सो रंफू जस्ट ऑफ 45 मिनट्स
45 minutes.
सो NGP से यहाँ तक का टोटल 91 किलोमीटर से आपका अगर मतलब टाइमिंग देखेंगे तो मैक्सिमम 3.5 hours. So we do have cab facilities also.
We can come from Mall Junction, New Mall Junction.
Right.
Also,
New
yeah.
Mile Junction also. We
Yeah.
do have that's all that kind of facilities and all. Not only this local trade, we used to organize a tour package for whatever they want in in Sikkim, even in Bhutan also, Nepal also. If they want to do,
Yeah.
definitely
You
we
can
are
manage
there
everything.
to help them
Yeah.
of whatever possibilities. We
He is. I
definitely-
think he is jack of all trade, but master of all. Not master of none.
Yes,
Yeah.
we are there. Like actually यहाँ पे आके जो भी गेस्ट आता है those who are coming from the other place they should not feel like कि नया जगह पे गया तो है scenic beauty से फिर भी they do not miss their kind of homies things जो
Things.
रहता है ना
So you have- they
एक
can feel the
personal
warmth.
talk, right, yes. बहुत जगह देखा है ऐसा कि मतलब अगर ओनर ऑफ द होम स्टे अगर कोई भी रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जो है या प्रॉपर्टी का जो भी इंचार्ज ये सारा कुछ है अगर उन लोग गेस्ट के साथ अच्छे से बात नहीं करें तो काइंड ऑफ शॉर्टेज रह जाता है वहाँ पे एक
I think-
कंप्लीट वो नहीं बन पाता
One
है
path. I think Ranaji also want to say something.
No.
Yeah.
You.
Oh, that
this
amla,
pani
yeah, yeah.
amla.
Yeah,
Pani
yeah, you can
amla.
tell a little
This
bit
is
about that.
very good. This is supposed to be very good for high blood pressure.
High blood pressure. Yeah, you told
And you
yesterday.
just need to wash it and just have it.
Have it right. Oh, that's
And do
great.
you know regarding this thing also
This is also
Yeah.
coming up with a very
So
good.
these are all medicinals.
No, this is decorative.
Decorative.
Decorative
Oh,
for
yeah, yeah.
flower vase itself.
Yeah, I saw that in bouquet and all
right,
that.
right,
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
People used to, still they used to harvest for this thing. They are getting only this kind of, for this stick 25 pesos.
Yeah,
My God.
Norbu was just telling you. One stand.
You can see it here and there. And 25 paisa. Oh my God.
right. So like
All our
Oh, you
business.
are giving me the whole rupee.
how much you want? जितना भी चाहिए, you can get it from my own business.
It's free. Yeah. So you was talking about little bit about the local treat.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is.
This is
actually
mother's dream and all
like
that you was
mother's
talking.
dream, yes.
So might be from next year. Actually, by this year only, we were planning to add some more things and all. So even we have started. This is a kind of a bamboo hut.
Cottage,
जो
yeah.
रहता है ये structure बना है. Totally kind of without ये cement ये सारा कुछ use ना करके.
Nature.
So benefit
friendly,
of
yeah.
having sit under of this hut is like summer season एकदम ठंडी.
Cool.
जी,
Yeah.
जी, जी.
Yeah.
Even in a winter itself also, तो वो straw की वजह से रात में इवनिंग टाइम में भी थोड़ा गर्मी वो सारा कुछ रहता है.
Okay.
The plus point is enjoying the front side view. जितना भी आगे का view है, इससे मिलता है ये सारा कुछ वो enjoy कर. So by next year we are planning up with the kids play area also वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा वो रहेंगे. If the God wants, we'll be having the swimming pool also.
Wow. Then it will be like kind of luxurious.
Right. Actually,
I think it will come then Agoda and Booking.com.
Right. Actually, I'm thinking of to tie up with the Make My Trip, Agoda, and this all. I've already been work with them. Even they are saying me to do a tie ups and all. But the thing is that अभी उतना वो क्लास का में
नहीं।
मेरा मतलब वो नहीं पहुंचा है प्रॉपर्टी.
Slowly.
Definitely one day
This
we'll
is
do
less
that.
of a homestay, more of a farm stay. If you
Homestay,
come
yeah.
stand, if you come this side,
See, okay.
if you come this side.
We'll come.
Yeah. No. Just see.
Oh, nice. The lemon, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Pomelon.
Pomelon.
So we have some live stocks and everything we used to keep right over there.
Wow.
Batavi lebu.
In Bengal, we call it Batavi levu, correct?
This one, this fruit.
This one, yeah.
Yeah.
Thick
Yeah.
skin,
Yeah, I think it's right. Actually, it's better than lemon.
Yeah, I know. Pomelon is very, very good. Yes. Especially अचार बना के उसमें मिर्ची वगैरह मुंह में.
Can't resist.
All right. Then
Okay.
we'll be continuing with the evening bonfire, even in
Bonfire.
the dinner also. We'll
Yeah.
be catching up with this.
Sure.
Definitely.
So people can contact via Ranaji or directly with you by your
We
number.
do have a page on Facebook like local treat, and we do have on Instagram also.
Also.
So if they do visit over there, they will get the entire details regarding the phone numbers and
Everything.
when the Rana ji का भी है, मेरा भी है, सबका है वहाँ पे. कहीं से भी ये route मिल सकता है.
Anyway, but still for their convenience, just give your contact number.
Right,
once.
I
Yeah.
have a two contact number. I will just provide one my business contact number.
Sure.
That is 811 6000747.
Wow.
So
Nice.
that is गलत नंबर दिया, प्लीज कट दिट
Oh. It's so funny.
86 वाला था।
Okay, okay. Yeah. Don't take it otherwise. Yeah.
Yeah.
He forgot his own number
That's
only.
fine. I will just it's
Yeah.
98323613323.
Okay.
So that is my business number. You can call WhatsApp me on that thing also.
This is the correct number,
yes,
right?
Yes, 24/7. Whenever you feel like to
Yeah.
make a call, you can give me a call. रात का 12 बजे भी
But
चलेगा
still,
मेरे
don't call at 2 or something.
All right, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you for your time. Yeah, bye. Yeah, see one of the other guests. What is his name? I forgot. What is his name? Lazy. Oh, he's so lazy, but he's not lazy actually. Okay, Ranaji.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can sit and have talk. Yeah.
So how do